Hey everybody, I'm Mary and this is my simple cottage life. Goodness gracious, that's a big old John Deere. Holy cow. Look how they loaded all that heavy metal on that trailer. Gotta love a John Deere. Have a John Deere riding lawnmower. Brian would love to have that thing. That probably costs more than my house. I'm quite sure it does. Ooh, I don't know what they're gonna have it gonna do then. I just don't. It's things I don't know that I worry about the most. It's on there. Look at her. Look at her. What is she doing? Oh, girl. Look at him climbing in there. If he slipped, he could break a leg easy. Get tangled up in that metal. The stuff men do. Get down, mister. He's still hanging on up in there. Oh, I keep getting my thumb in the way of this video. I don't have my tripod. Lousy, lousy. Oh my goodness. I need to move out of the way. There's no sense in him looking to see if I'm standing back here. Isn't that a beauty? Fine, if you'd have had that, you wouldn't have had to pay somebody to dig your pond.
Make sure that's how you want it laying.
Yeah, we'll put some stripes over it.
Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get y'all some ice.
Okay, let me go show you what's going on over here. Me as well while I'm out here. He is using this kind of a magnet and running it all over the grass and where the cars park and stuff to pick up screws and nails. Wow. Well, they made some holes. Anyway, here's what they've done. It's just swept off. See, those big things used to be right there. I got some vines I need to get over here and cut. And I will. Okay, then, y'all, they have to take down these posts right here, as you see, and that electrical pole. Y'all. I mean, I can barely get in a parking space right. Can you imagine? Oh, laws. Be careful. Oh, God. Dangerous stuff, isn't it? I am fascinated by this. I guess y'all noticed that. I don't know how many videos I've made about it. But I told you in the beginning I would start filming. Oh, oh, oh no. That thing is swinging. Not in the middle. Not in the middle of the weight. Well, now we've got other things out here in the way. Yeah, they said they'd be done by today. Good job. That's Steve. I have no idea what he said. I need closed caption, and I talked to Steve. Success. Boy, Jared's good at that, isn't he? Honest to God, and I'm not kidding. I haven't seen anything Jared cannot do yet. I mean, he does painting, he does plumbing, he does electrical. He builds things, he tears things down, he cuts down trees like a little monkey. Climbing those trees. Y'all saw him when he cut down or trimmed those trees up by my cottage. He was up there, honestly, climbing like a monkey. I'll go back out. I've been out there spraying the pile down because they have to put that fire out before they can move it. So I've been doing that, and I've been picking stuff up. Can't help it, y'all. It's the way I am. I gotta help. At least pick some stuff up, you know. Besides that, when I pick stuff up, I know I'm getting stuff that I don't want here. One time years ago, I was coming home from MD Anderson Hospital in Houston with my mother, who had just had her chemo treatment. At that time, there wasn't any local hospitals that give you chemo. So we were on our way home, and there was this great big tractor on the side of the road for sale. Mother said, "I wish I had that." And I said, "What would you do with it, Mother?" She said, "Sell it." Yep. She had a good idea. MD Anderson Hospital is a 6-hour trip from where I live. One day Bobby and I took her down there for a treatment, and on the way home I had a little Mazda. It was almost brand new. I mean, I had bought it brand new, but I hadn't used it long. And it broke down on the side of the road way out in the country. And the engine had burned up in it. Okay, my turn to move. My cue to move. Woo-woo. So I didn't have anybody to call. I had to call my ex-husband's father, and he came immediately. And he towed that car home. That was nice of him, wasn't he? Thank you, CW. It's like a carnival ride.
I don't. You need pants? A belt? You need a belt? I can find. I got a piece of cord. That'll work. Yeah, right here. I mean, you can just do this part. I actually have buttons that you connect to your pants.
Yeah.
I don't normally, but I usually do.
I just told you I wasn't gonna work.
Hey, no cussing. Don't he look so good up there?
Yeah, he shimmied up those trees over there by just
Stevie.
I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back on break. Going back on break.
You going back on the break?
whoop.
Back on
The metal roof. I don't know. I can't see up there. It's a big one. It's a big one. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lord. Excuse me. It's going to fall at the end of it.
One more time. Get it off that trigger, it'll still be spinning.
Yeah. When he cut it, it swung back down. Without his leg.
Yeah, we'll do that later. I'm gonna leave this a little bit up here. You gonna do what? Take lunch in the bucket?
Now we gotta move all that shit.
Y'all have to chain around, drag it, or cut it up. Yeah, cut it up.
Wait, I've got mine.
I seen it in the back.
My baby, what?